Hi guys, postman's bin. This has been posted in the UK, although it says made in China. This will be one of those ones where they're holding a local stock to speed up the delivery. 908478 URSW50. Name ERPC card. I think it's an ESC. I could be wrong. There we go. Hobbywing Skywalker 50A UBEC 5A. So a 50 amp ESC 2 to 4S. So that should allow me to blow up another motor. Well, not blow up, burn out. I suppose we could actually look at the instructions. Gives a lot more information than I usually get when I buy cheap stuff. Low voltage protection, slow cutoff. Or soft cutoff, as it says there. Calibrate before flying. Well, this is going to go in my boat first of all. Switch on transmitter, move throttle stick to top position, connect battery pack, wait for about 2 seconds, beep beep tone should be emitted, move throttle stick to bottom position, several beep tones should be emitted to present the amount of battery cells. And a long beep tone should be emitted. Means the lowest point of the throttle range has been correctly confirmed. Normal startup procedure, move throttle stick to bottom position, then switch on transmitter. Connect battery pack to ESC, special tone, like musical 1, 2, 3. Means power OK. Several beeps for the amount of lithium battery cells. When self-test is finished, long beep. Move throttle stick upward to go flying. Okay. Oh gosh, we can program this one as well. Okay, well we'll read that some other time.
Hey, thanks for watching. There's plenty of videos on my main channel with more added daily, so don't forget to subscribe and enable the notifications to keep you up to date with my new releases. You can help keep my channel running by donating $1 on Patreon to buy me coffee. You can always find more information in the video description. Thanks again for watching.